Shalom and welcome to this particular tutorial. So in this particular tutorial video, what I'm going to be showing you straight to the point is whether blogging is still worth it in 2026. Is it still possible to make money from blogging? If it's so, how do you make money from blogging? How do you start earning immediately? Advantages and disadvantages, how to get started, and everything that you would need to know. All right. So quick. Blogging is something that is very easy to do. So what is blogging? Blogging is where you build a website or website and you post just content, whether it's regarding news, whether it's regarding health, whether it's regarding whatever it is. You post it there and be sharing it for people to come and view. So if you have a very large audience, you can make a lot of money from blogging. It is a very good source of income and business model where you are not limited in terms of earnings. The more people you have, the more money you can make. All right. Yes. And so does blogging still work in 2026? Let's find out. So if you want to get started with blogging, all right, first open your browser. This is a very easy way to get started with blogging. You don't need any programming skills or you don't need to learn how to build a website or anything. Just open your browser and go to blogger.com. Okay, you go to blogger.com. Now, blogger.com is a platform that has been created by Google to help people who want to go into blogging create a very beautiful blog, unique blog, as quickly as possible without any programming skills. So when you come over here, you sign in into your Google account, okay? You sign in into your Google account. I'm going to use this Google account for the video. All right. So you sign into the Google account, all right? So what we are going to do is we are going to create a blog, we are going to design the blog, and we are going to look at how we can monetize the blog instantly. Yes, so we are going to create a blog and we are going to look at how quickly we can monetize it. So let us choose a name for the blog. So the name I'm going to give to this blog is Prodigy, the same name for my channel. So if this is your first time on my channel, please, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content on how to make money and other type of relevant, productive content like this. All right. Yes, so we have to get the address for our blog. This address is the link that when you share and people tap on it, it will bring them to your blog. So Prodigy has already been taken by someone, so let me just use 689. Okay, so this is available. So tap on next and then the display name Prodigy, and then finish. So that's it. We've now created a blog. It's as simple as that. All right. But it's not that simple yet because after creating the blog, we will now have to design it. Designing the blog is very necessary because if your blog doesn't look nice, people come to it and then it's not user friendly and then the UI is very bad. You would end up losing a lot of traffic because of that. Yeah, people would return to your blog if you have a very nice UI and your content is also very relevant. All right, so what we are going to do is we are going to have to design the blog, but then this is it. We've created a blog. If you want to see your blog page on the menu here, you can just tap on view blog and it will take you to your blog page. This is the blog page. All right, so now this is not currently this isn't really a very nice blogger site. All right, so we have to make it look nice. All right, so what we do is you go to your browser again. Remember, we're about to do all of these things without having to write a single line of code for ourselves. So you go to your browser and then you search free blogger templates. All right, so when you search for this free blogger template, you see a lot of search results over here. Sora template is good. I've used that one before. Okay. B template too is good. I've used that one before. Guyabin template too is good. I've used that one before. All of them are good. You just need to get a process, and then after that, so what you need to do is you just need to get the template, and then you are good to go. So I'm going to use Goyabin templates. We are going to take one of their templates and we would use that to design our blog. Okay, so over here you can see a lot of beautiful blogger templates over here that you can download. All right, so the one that you believe that is nice for you, fits your style and your purpose for which you are designing the blog, you can use that, and then use that to, and then you can replicate the same on your blog. So Plexify looks nice for me. It looks nice for me, so I'm going to take that one. Okay, I'm going to take that one. So after that, when you open it, then you tap on download to download the template. So it is downloaded now. So now that it's downloaded, we go back to our blogger. Okay, then you go to theme. We now are now coming to install the template on the site. So you go to theme, and then you tap on this drop down over here, and then you tap on restore. So when you tap on restore, it will give the option to upload, and then you would upload the file that we just downloaded. Okay, yeah, you upload the zip file you just downloaded. So made a mistake over there. First, what you have to do is you have to extract the zip file. Okay, so after you've extracted the zip file, what you now do is that you now go to the site, and then you tap on restore. Okay, you tap on restore, then you tap on upload. So when you tap on upload, what it's going to do is that it's going to open. You go to where you extracted the files, and then you tap on the XML file, and then you upload that one. Yeah, you upload the XML file, and then when you upload the XML file, it would restore the theme. So now we have uploaded the HTML, we've uploaded the template into our site. So now let's visit our site, and when you visit your Blogger site now, you would see that it is now looking like the Plexify template. Okay, so now it's looking like this because there are no posts on the site yet. Okay, it's looking like this because there are no posts on the site yet. So once you post on the site, it will come back to look more like this. So before that, let's go and look at how we can customize the layout of the blog. Okay, so you come here to layout. All right, you come here to layout, and then over here, yeah, so now I'm going to replace this with a link of my YouTube video. Okay, and then I'm going to save it. All right, yeah, I'm going to save it. So enemy, please make sure that every single change you make, you tap on this save icon over here to save it, so that it now goes live on the site. All right, so now it has finished saving. So now let me refresh the page and make sure that the changes that I just made have been implemented. Okay. Let me refresh the page again. Okay. It refused to connect. So what I have to do is I have to share it as embedded now. So what you do is to share as embedded, you just tap on the embed video and then copy it. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm now going to go back and then yeah. That is if you also have a channel that you would like to link it to your blog, you can also do that. Okay. So now for the embedded, I'm going to replace everything here with this. And then I'm going to save it now. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, there are some ads showing over here, and there are some earnings page showing over here, and then I'm going to also explain all of those ones to you. Yeah, so let's check the page to see how it came out. All right, so now it implemented over here beautifully. Okay, so this is a video on my channel. It's currently on my channel, how you can make money just by sharing links. Yeah, it's currently on my channel. You can go and check it out. Very, very legit. I sometimes use that myself. Okay, so yes, so just by this, you can change everything over here. You can change the social media icons over here. You can go over here, you will see them over here as social, where the followers is here. So you tap on it, and then as you can see, there is the Facebook. So you can tap on the pencil button to edit the Facebook. So you input your Facebook link here. If you do not have a Facebook link and you would want to get rid of it, then you just tap on the delete button to get it out of there. Okay, all right, so that's basically that. If you like to rearrange them too, you could also do that. And then when you are done, you tap on save. So now let's move on to another very important part of your blogging journey, and that is the post. All right, this part is also very, very important because it's actually what determines whether people are going to come to your blog or not. Okay, yes. So blogging is actually very profitable, and it is still profitable as long as there are people visiting websites to read information. Blogging is very, very profitable. Yes. So you have to make sure that the information that you are placing on your website is relevant information. The audience you are targeting find that relevant enough to tap on your link and come and see what is going on there. So this is the post page. Okay, so to create a post, you just tap on the new post button, and it will bring you to the page where you can create a post. Sorry. So you can write articles with yourself, or if you are mainly focused on the money, you can just get trendy topics and then use AI to write the articles. So I'm just going to create a small article about how to make millions with drop shipping. Okay, so in Ghana, you make it personal, let it be direct towards your audience. All right, yes, and then you now take this caption, and then I take it to whatever AI you would like, and you tell it to write you an SEO article on the topic. So the AI will generate the entire thing for you. Okay, and then the next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go to Google to get a thumbnail. Yeah, I'm going to go to Google to get a thumbnail. So I'll just search for drop shipping business on the address bar. All right, and then I'll go to images. Okay, I'm going to go to images to get a very good thumbnail. All right. So um all these are good, all these are good, all these are good. I think I like this one, so I'm going to go with this one. Okay. So yeah, then I'm going to download the file. So I'm going to tap on the save image as, then I'll save it. All right. So now, by now, ChatGPT would have been done. Yeah. So as you can see, ChatGPT has generated the article for us beautifully. Okay. So I'm going to copy all of this now, and then we are going to paste it on our website, on our blog site. So paste everything over here. Okay. Yeah. And for the thumbnail image, we'll just leave a space here, bring this here, and then we'll tap on insert image. All right. The image I downloaded, okay, so that's it, downloaded. So I'm going to tap on now insert image, then you tap on upload from computer. All right. Then I'm going to drag the image. You can select or you can drag, whichever one. So I'm going to drag it here, and then so this would be, it will appear as a thumbnail. It's very necessary when you are sharing the link for your blog post. All right. The thumbnail catches their eye a lot. So make sure you have very good thumbnails. Okay. So when you are done, you can now tap on publish. Okay. You can now tap on publish. So that's basically it. We've published it. So now you can just tap on the share over here, or you can tap on the view button to view the post. You can tap on the share to copy the link to share the post to your platforms. Okay. So yes, this is basically how it will show over here. So now this is how it will show over here. Okay. Yeah. So that's basically how you can make posts on your site. Okay. Then you can now go to the home of your page, and then you'll see everything here. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the full customization of your blog website, and then what I'm also going to be talking about is how you can make money from blogging. It's actually very possible how you can make money from blogging, how you can start earning from blogging today. This one is not the one that you would have to, as you already know, you have to wait for an approval process and all of those kind of stuff. So no, you would get your blogging site monetized instantly. And when I say monetized, what I mean is immediately someone taps on your blog and goes to the page, there will be ads showing on the page, advertisements will be showing on the page. All of those websites that have ads showing on them are earning from you. And it is also your turn to now turn the tables and have people and earn from other people. So as you are giving them content, they are giving you views to those ads, and then those ads will now be bringing you money. And I'm going to explain that one deeper and further in the next video. So please do want to subscribe to this channel. You can visit my channel page for the next video on how you can customize your blog site fully and make it ready for sharing and then also monetizing it. You can visit my channel page for the video, or you can also check in the description, because I would add the video link, the link to that video in the description. Thank you for staying through this tutorial. If you are not subscribed, please do want to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in my next video as my subscriber. Shalom.